I think the first thing I saw was a whole bunch of kids running toward me, which is like my superhero moment.
I'm quality control for the battery team.
I would not say it gets boring, especially here. There's always something new. This is a 3D scanning roamer arm. It's just grabbing millions of small points and building this part as we scan it. How would I explain this to my kids? I think we're going to compare a real part to a perfect part. There is definitely a high bar for precision here.
We're measuring the overall flatness of it, which has a tolerance of 60 thousandths of an inch.
In the summertime, I do skydiving. But after a long time, it stops being so extreme and it's more of just a therapeutic thing. So we had Vermont Skydiving Adventures fly us over Summerfest. Summerfest is Beta's annual party for the team. We were able to jump into the party because David and I both have been jumping for 10 years or so now, and we've earned ratings to get up to the level of being able to do demonstrations for people. Aviation is just something I'm interested in all around.
Similar to skydiving, Beta Technologies is always exciting and adventurous. Every day is something new and challenging.
Coolest thing about any of our aircraft going out that door is that it was built right here, and we all had a little part of it.